Hi my loves, my name is Natasha Noel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a beginner version to open up and to strengthen the back. Now, there is also an intermediate to an advanced level towards the end, but you can see how you are, where you are at right now and follow along also, yeah? So we're going to begin shortly. The first thing you want to do is you want to lie down on the front of the body. Now, as you lie down on the front of the body, get your forearms next to the side. Inhaling, roll the shoulders back, we're going to lift up. Exhaling, we're going to come back. That's one. Inhaling, we're going to go up. Exhale, come back down. 2. Inhale up. 3. Exhale down. Inhale up. 4. Remember, forearms are on the floor. Well, your floor. Inhale up. 5. And come back because I'm on the bed. Inhale up. 6. Keep breathing and come back down. Inhale up. 7. Exhale down. Inhale up. 8 and down. Inhale up. 9 and down. Last one, inhale up. 10, and now we're going to hold it here. Now, you want to remember, I'm going to talk throughout, don't worry. You want to remember that you want to try and make sure you're not bending your back from your neck, okay? So if you have neck pain, just drop the chin as much as you can. Exhaling, we're going to come back down. Get the hands next to the side of the chest. Relax your legs, roll the shoulders back. Inhaling, lift up halfway, hands off the floor. Exhaling, come back down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale 3, exhale, come back. Inhale 4, exhaling, we're going to come back. Inhale up. 5, keep breathing also. Exhale, come back. Inhale up, keep breathing. Exhaling, we're going to come back down. Try and squeeze and hold. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep breathing. Inhale up, exhaling down. Last one, inhale, come up, roll the shoulders back, hold it there. Keep the feet grounded onto the floor as much as you can. Exhale, come back down. From here, you're going to release your hands. As you release your hands, you're going to interlock it at the back and you're going to inhale, lift all the way up. Exhale, come back down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come back down. Inhale up. 3, exhale down. Inhale, lift up. 4 and down. Try and get the chest off the floor. Inhale, lift up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Then try and get the first set of abs off the floor and down. Inhale up and down. Keep breathing. Inhale and down. Last one, inhaling. As you inhale, we're going to hold over here. Stay 5. You want to keep breathing. Keep trying to lift the chest off the floor. 4, 3, keep breathing. 2, 1, exhaling, release. Now, as you release, you're going to come into crocodile posture or makrasana. So you're going to get one hand on top of each other. You're going to try and get the toe together, heels apart. Just stay here for a couple of breaths. Keep breathing. Now, all we're going to do is we're going to get the hands back next to the side of the shoulders, and all we're going to do is we're going to roll the shoulders back and forward. This is going to make you understand how to engage the shoulder muscles, yeah? Come back and forward. Come back and forward. Come back and forward. Come back and forward. Roll it back and hold here. Now from this hold position, release the toes and we're going to come straight up all the way. Now you're going to try and breathe away. If this is too much for you, you can bend your elbows also so that there'll be less pressure on the lower back. Exhaling, we're going to come back down. Keep breathing. Again, we're going to do this again. Inhale up. Remember, try and hold. Keep breathing. Again, if there's too much pressure on your lower back, you can bend the elbows. Exhaling, coming back down. Roll the shoulders. Last one, inhale, lift all the way up. If you feel too much pressure, also what you can do is squeeze your glute. Exhaling, coming back down. From here, extend the arms forward and lift both the upper body and lower body together. Inhale up, exhale down. 1. Inhale up. 2, exhale down. Inhale up. 3, exhale down. Try not bend the back of the legs. Inhale up. 5, exhale, come back down. Inhale up. 6 and down. Inhale up. 7 and down. Keep breathing. Inhale up. 8 and down. Try and squeeze. Inhale up 9 and down. Last one. Inhale up 10. We're going to hold, breathe. Stay 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, squeeze. 2, exhale down and come down. From here, we're going to lie down in Makrasana again just for a couple of breaths so that your breath neutralizes and you're not breathing very heavily. From here, we're going to be doing Dhanurasana and Dhanurasana breathing, okay? So you're going to release, bend the knees, and as you bend the knees, you're going to take your hands, hold it from the ankles and feel your ankle bone, yeah? So from the outside. Inhaling, we're going to lift the upper body and the thighs as much as we can off the floor or your mat. Well, in my case, the bed, yeah? Keep trying to get the chest off. Try and get the first set of abs if possible. Try and get the second set of abs if possible. And keep breathing. 3, 2, exhaling. We're going to come back down. Now we're going to do the same thing by doing Dhanurasana breathing. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up 2, exhale down. Inhale up 3, exhale down. Inhale up 4, exhale down. Remember the chin. Inhale up 5, exhale down. Remember, roll the shoulders also back. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Keep breathing. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Last one. Inhale up as much as you can. Try and get the feet away from the thighs. Remember, roll the shoulders back. Neck is comfortable. Look forward. Otherwise, you can look back as well. Exhaling all the way back down. Release your hands. Relax your legs. Again, back in Makrasana. Now, here's the thing. It's not always about doing, getting flexible, getting strong. No. It's also about learning to take breaks in between so your body listens and adapts to you. You're going to lie down on the back. Now, as you lie down, we're going to do this thing, okay? All you're going to do is arch the back and release. Don't lift the hips up, okay? So, arch the back. Try and take that pelvis down to the tailbone. So, arch the back. Take the pelvis down again. Arch the back. Take the pelvis down again. Arch the back. Pelvis in again. Arch the back. Pelvis in again. Do this a couple of seconds more. Also, you want to remember what this is going to help is if you have lower back pain, it's going to release the lower back pain. So you can do this first thing in the morning. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lift the hips up as well. Okay. So remember that tailbone in and we're going to lift it up. Inhale. Exhale down. Just do a couple of breaths. Inhale up. Exhale down. This I don't like voiceovers that much. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep breathing. Inhale up, exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Now we're going to hold. Now, if it's comfortable, try and interlock your hands. Now you can adjust your shoulders also. So try and think of getting the pelvis to the back or rather the front of the room. Keep breathing. Not to the ceiling, to the front of the room. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Release the hands. Exhaling, coming back down. Just hug. Now all you're going to do is rock the legs a little bit. Try and get the nose or the forehead or the chin to the knees. Hi my love, so if you're an absolute beginner, you could like stop here. What I'm going to do now is like an intermediate to an advanced-ish. And you need to really make sure your spine is very warmed up for this one, yeah. Also remember, whenever we're doing a back bend, I'm not facing you. Whenever we're doing a back bend, you want to try and lengthen the spine and not compress in any part of the vertebrae, okay? So you want to literally, it's a mind-body thing, right? So you want to inhale, lift as much as you can and then curve the spine, okay? So there is no compression in any part of the spine. Okay, so let's do this together. From child's posture, we're going to come forward into an upward facing dog. Exhaling, we're going to push back. Inhale, we're going to come forward. Remember, roll the shoulders back. Exhale, push back. Inhale, come forward. Exhaling, push back. Inhale, roll the shoulders. Exhale, push back. Inhale, come, roll the shoulders. And we're going to stay. Keep breathing. 3, 2, roll the shoulders so your pectorals open up. 1, exhaling, push back into child's posture. From here, you want to come into an upward facing dog against the wall. So your chest wants to touch the wall, okay? So what you want to try and do is with your body is wiggle the body as much as you can forward. Try and get the chest to touch the wall. Now, yes, it might feel like your chest is smooshing against the wall. So what you can do is come up onto your fingertips. Lengthen the chest as much as you can. Roll the shoulder blades. If comfortable, try and squeeze and get the chest to the wall. You want to try and get the first set of abs to the wall. This is what you want to try and think of, okay? Now, as you do this, can you see your spine is lengthening up? Inhaling, take your hands up. If you feel like this is too much, I'm telling you, do the previous levels, okay? Eventually, gradually, later you can come here. Now get the hands next to the side of the chest and push away from the wall as much as you can. Now exhaling, push back, try and sit. Just concave the upper back so that you feel it release. Now we're going to do this again. I'm telling you, this is a little bit more advanced. So what we're going to do here again, you're going to do the same thing. Come onto your fingertips. As you come, take your hands up. Now as you take your hands up, as you're breathing, as the spine gets comfortable, again you're going to just bend your elbows. As you bend your elbows, you're going to get the hands next to the side of the chest. And now as you do this, all you're going to do from here is get your hands next to the side of your chest and push away as much as you can. Roll the shoulders back, chest away from the wall. Now if it is comfortable, bend your knees. Now as much as you can, try and get the feet to touch the head. Keep breathing throughout. Now we're going to come onto our fours. As we come onto our fours, we're going to do Vyagra Swasha or tiger breathing. Exhale, push. Inhale, arch. Exhale, push, protract the shoulders. Inhale, arch, retract the shoulders. Exhale, push, spine to the ceiling. Inhale, arch, stomach to the floor. Exhale, inhale. Now stay on the inhalation. Just keep breathing. If you feel there is any tension, just wiggle it out gently. Exhale, up. Keep breathing. Inhaling. Exhale, push back, relax in child's posture. From here, we're going to lie down on the front of the body and do a little twisting, okay? Going to bend the knee, get the knee as close to the armpit as you can. Take your right hand through, left hand in a push-up position and push away. This is going to help your thoracic or your mid-back to open up, okay? We did a lot of back bends. We want to now try and release it. Now, from here, you're going to take the left hand through. With the right hand, you can first face it up to the ceiling. If comfortable, exhale, drop it down to the other side. You want to remember that your knee still wants to be on the floor, okay? Eventually get the shoulder, the elbow and the palm facing down. Feel the twist in your spine and keep breathing. Breath is vital. Exhaling, we're going to come back. Now we're going to do the other side, okay? So you're going to bend first the left knee in towards your armpit as much as you can. You're going to take the left hand through. As you take the left hand through, with the right hand in a push-up position, push away. So try and get the chest away from the bed as much as you can. Keep breathing. From here, take the right hand through, and as you take the right hand through, first take the left hand up to the ceiling. If that is comfortable, then drop it down. You want to remember, you want the knee to the bed as much as you can. Eventually get the shoulder, your elbow and palm on the floor. Keep breathing. Breath is vital. I hope this has helped open up your spine and you're feeling much more energetic and also relaxed at the same time. Till I see you next time. Okay, bye.